Ooh, that feels pretty good.
Well, I'm headed towards Guana, the dam portion up in the lake, and I'm going to be fishing guana today. Hopefully we'll see if there's anything that I can locate. I've been told that up there near the dam there's a few sandbars past the deep part on the lakeside that might be holding some big old redfish in there this time of year. So I'm going to give it a shot and see what I can find, and hopefully we'll get on some redfish or some big old trout up in there.
Biting a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Oh, got a little red. Got a little rat red.
Got us a little red in here. Go tell your mama about me. So they're in guana. Right now, just the small one. See you later, buddy. Go on. Black drum. Too small to keep in the box, but once again, looks like we found something here. At least we're getting some bites and we're getting some fish. And hear the drum just a going.
So what I'm doing right here is I'm fishing with a Carolina rig with a little small mud minnow on it and barely dragging the bottom and see if I get some bites. But what you end up getting a lot of when you're doing this is you end up getting some of them catfish.
It's pretty good.
Dang, catfish got me again. Now that sucker got me. Got me with one of the spines on the finger a little bit, but it's not too bad. Those things are dangerous. What we're doing today is we've saw these pine trees and we headed over and got close to that looking for the holes. Most of this is pretty shallow, 2.5, 3 feet of water. So find some holes, maybe about 4 foot, one over here by the pine tree, and see if we can get on one of these fish. Some of these I'm dragging the bottom and trolling a little bit and see if maybe something will bite one of these shrimp or one of these mud minnows and on those Carolina rigs. But so far we haven't caught of anything of a significant value. Hopefully we'll get on them.
Oh, what we got? We got us a trout. Mm-hmm. 16-inch trout. 16-inch trout in the boat. Not too bad.
Well, I originally wanted to fish the dam area, and there's supposed to be a hole right over there with some sandbars, but there was tons of people fishing over there near the dam and waiting in that area, so I had to go find different locations. But all in all, not a bad day. We have to get this boat back on the trailer. The problem with it is so shallow here, you have to lift the front end and then winch it up onto the trailer. Any type of bigger boat, this would not work.